Now, important invention. This is new type hybrid electrolysis, means direct thermal water split, invented by super scientist S. Venkatesan. It was it was a super scientist. The book written by scientist Venkatesan Mannargudi. Now, the new invention. Input input is 0 millivolt. Input is 0 millivolt, showing 0 millivolt. Output is a 400 millivolt. How is it possible? Input is 0 millivolt, but output is 420 millivolt. How is it possible? I think it makes induced electricity, intrinsic electricity. The water boils at 100 degree above 100 degree. The water rotating, vibrating, and translating, means induced electricity is produced. This is the world phenomena, the world first phenomena. This is 1 ampere silicon semiconductor diode. Electricity goes to zero. Electricity goes zero. The multimeter showing the electricity goes zero. Output electricity is 420. What is it? What is this phenomenon? Input 0 millivolt, output 400 millivolt. It means water boiling above 100 degree, it self creating electricity. That's all.